We have harvest, that you are in your harvest season. You are being blessed right now. Your cup is running over. Things are going good for you. Okay, you are abundant in this season. Whatever you're working on is growing. Okay, with I can't let you go, I feel like this is what the reader told this person, that they are holding on to you. Maybe they feel this person strong in your energy. Let's get a couple more. Pervert, abuse. Okay, now it's in the reverse. This person, maybe this person thought this about you, but it's in the reverse. Or maybe